Hello and welcome to this week's English video lesson. How are you? I hope that you're well. For those who are new to the channel, I'm Carly from Learn English with Carly, here to support you with your English learning needs. I really enjoy the interaction with you all, and I hope that this video and channel provides you with some satisfaction with your English learning. Hopefully you won't have any difficulty with this week's video. Following on from the first video of nouns, followed by with today, we are going to continue looking at nouns, followed by the preposition with, here in part 2. This series has been popular, so be sure to check out the other videos with nouns, followed by prepositions such as for and of, here on my channel. Without further ado, I'm going to list each noun that is followed by with in alphabetical order and provide you with plenty of examples of how we use these nouns with in real everyday English. We will look at a variety of tenses where appropriate and also in a variety of contexts. Let's get started. Our first noun followed by with today is dealings with. Dealings are the way in which someone conducts business or interacts with others. Theo's dealings with clients are always professional. Transparency is important in all dealings with customers. Rick's dealings with international clients have greatly expanded the business. Becky's dealings with local businesses help strengthen community relations. The supplier ended their dealings with a dishonest customer. Paula had positive dealings with the local carpet cleaning company. In our dealings with the police, we have always found them to be very clear and helpful. Now, our second noun today is difficulty with. If you have a difficulty, then something is hard to do or understand. Craig's difficulty with insomnia is well known amongst his family in France. Many students experienced difficulty with the advanced maths concepts presented in class. Keith's difficulty with public speaking often made him anxious during presentations. The child showed difficulty with reading, prompting his parents to seek tutoring. Despite his difficulty with the language, Fred made an effort to communicate with the locals. The only subject which I had difficulty with was physics. Lena had little difficulty with the move abroad. What do you have difficulty with? If you are enjoying this video and finding it useful, can I please ask that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for future videos? Thank you. Hopefully this next noun followed by with isn't something you've encountered too often. Disagreement with. A disagreement is a situation in which two or more people have different opinions. Let's see how we use disagreement with in everyday English. I often find myself in disagreement with people who refuse to consider alternative perspectives. Canada and Mexico expressed their disagreement with Trump's suggested tariffs. Gavin expressed his disagreement with the proposed policy changes during the meeting. Despite their disagreement with each other's viewpoints, Hannah and Thomas managed to remain friends. Sometimes my disagreement with my dad's opinion led to a lively debate at the dinner table. Todd had a disagreement with his girlfriend last night. Have you had a disagreement with anyone recently? Have you heard of the noun engagement? One meaning of engagement is the act of participating or being involved in something. In this context, we can follow this noun with. Greta Thunberg is recognized for her engagement with environmental issues. The couple's engagement with local charities demonstrates a commitment to social responsibility. The company's engagement with its customers is vital for improving the business. Amy's engagement with the community has helped nurture stronger relationships among residents. Active engagement with the audience during the presentation kept everyone interested. The boss maintained a high level of engagement with his team. The Healthy Eating Charity's engagement with local schools has been fruitful. Do you like my play on words here? Healthy and fruitful. Write to me and tell me how you understand this play on words. I encourage all comments here on my channel and I will reply. Our fifth noun with is interaction. Interaction is the act of communicating or working together with others. Hopefully my interaction with you, the learners, is always friendly and encouraging. Positive interaction with colleagues can improve workplace morale and productivity. Interaction with various cultures helps to broaden our perspectives on global issues. Claire's interaction with her community has helped build trust and understanding. The employees' interaction with the new software was seamless, thanks to its user-friendly design. Jason's interaction with clients has always been professional. Our sixth noun followed by with is involvement, and this means the state of being included or engaged in something. Harry's involvement with the local charity has made a significant difference in the community. Sharon attributes her success to her involvement with various professional organisations. Their involvement with the project ensured that all voices were heard during the planning phase. The company's involvement with environmental initiatives reflects its commitment to sustainability. Increased involvement with stakeholders is crucial for the project's success. The President's involvement with controversial issues has made him a target for criticism. Our seventh noun followed by with is link with. A link is a connection or relationship between two or more things. We need to strengthen our link with suppliers. The charity focuses on building a link with disadvantaged youth through mentorship programs. The organisation seeks to create a link with local businesses to encourage economic growth. Their collaboration aims to strengthen the link with international partners for better resource sharing. Clara emphasised the importance of maintaining a link with her mentors throughout her career. The initiative aimed to create a link with local artists to promote community events. I'm sure that this next noun followed by with is very familiar to you, meeting with. As you probably know from attending meetings, a meeting is a gathering of people to discuss or decide on something. I have a meeting with the project team to discuss our next steps. The boss is looking forward to her meeting with the new team members next week. Kira's meeting with the client went exceptionally well, leading to a new partnership. I appreciate your flexibility in rescheduling our meeting with the vendor. Kieran prepared thoroughly for his meeting with the executive committee. Do you often have meetings with your colleagues? Hopefully our ninth noun followed by with, quarrel, isn't something you have often. A quarrel is another word for an argument or a disagreement. I don't want to quarrel with you. Let's let bygones be bygones. After a brief quarrel with her friend, Penny quickly made up with Pam and laughed it off. The colleagues tried to resolve their quarrel with open communication and mutual respect. Olivia had a minor quarrel with her neighbour. Craig had a tendency to quarrel with authority figures, and this often got him into trouble. The siblings had a quarrel with each other about sharing their toys. Now we can all use our 10th noun followed by with today, relationship with. A relationship, as you know, is the way in which two or more people or groups are connected. I really value my relationship with you, my English learners. A good teacher strives to develop a positive relationship with their students to encourage a positive learning environment. Maintaining a healthy relationship with co-workers can enhance workplace dynamics. I sometimes reflect on my relationship with nature and how it impacts my well-being. A strong relationship with clients is vital for any successful business. The local council worked hard to rebuild its relationship with the community after the incident. Our relationship with technology has changed dramatically over the past decade. Warren's relationship with his family has improved over the past few years. Whilst the Rolling Stones sang "I Can't Get No Satisfaction," hopefully you are finding satisfaction with this video. Satisfaction is a feeling of pleasure or contentment about something. Achieving a balance between your work and personal life greatly enhances your overall satisfaction with life. The local council aims to improve satisfaction with community services through feedback. Gareth is feeling a deep sense of satisfaction with his accomplishments so far this year. The boss's satisfaction with her team's performance was evident in her praise. My satisfaction with the service prompted me to leave a positive review online. Customer satisfaction with the new product has exceeded expectations. And our final noun, followed by with today, is sympathy with. Sympathy is that feeling of sorrow, anger, or pity with someone else's misfortune. It can also mean to comfort someone who is feeling sad or angry. Let's see how we use sympathy with in everyday English sentences. When someone dies, we share our sympathy with the family and friends of that person. The charity aims to encourage sympathy with mental health issues through awareness campaigns. While I fully understand your point of view, I do also have some sympathy with Keeley's. The Prime Minister expressed his sympathy with the victims of the recent disaster during his speech. Jason's sympathy with the family during their time of grief was evident in his kind gestures. Many people showed sympathy with the protesters, supporting their fight for justice. Maggie's sympathy with the plight of animals has inspired her to adopt several rescue pets. There we have it, 12 nouns followed by with to complete the second part of this video topic. I hope that you have found this video useful for your English learning, and that even if you already know the 12 nouns that we've covered today, the example sentences are still good reading and listening practice for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to working with you soon. Bye!